do it.
You might just need to watch your back end don't scrape as I take it.
Yeah, it's cool, mate. Going into the dock.
It's a bit rocky, isn't it? So.
That'll be alright. Going fine at the moment, man.
Believe it or not, I'm a professional.
It's easy to pull this boat along. This fucking weighs nothing, really.
It's when I come in like that and people look at me like I'm going too fast for this angle, I'm hitting that wall. And they watch me tie it off from there and like, they look at me like, that's not going to work. And it works and they're like, up.
Only reggae music here, of course.
Is that not fucking sound on?
Nah, mate. No, there's no point having sound on video these days, isn't it? You just upload it and you don't bother saying anything.
Is that going on YouTube?
Might do.
Fuck you, YouTube!
Oh, mind me new little pot I found to go on the top of the roof.
That's my pot.
Well, did you rob it from Al the Misery?
Yeah.
Oh dear, oh dear. Bit dark in here, isn't it, mate? Lights are out.
It's supposed to be like this.
Well, it helps with the painting, yeah? Helps you get the right dodgy finish.
Hides it from the customer.
Bosley is off the cut, officially. Right, another vid in a minute. Well, all things are moored up, all the boats and all that. I'll put this bastard in now. Look at the size of it. Bloody big wooden bastard. A wooden bastard.
Ninja kick it out of your hand. Yeah, but I would not leave that there.
You're going to ruin it. You'll ruin the whole video.
You can leave it there for a minute. It's just that in a minute I'm going to swing my boat off that point. Like, my boat's going to be on that corner being spun round.
Yeah, it's going to be like over the corner, is it?
Probably not, no, but it's your camera I'm worried about. Put it on the boat if you want.
La, 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 la.
Facing the dock. See what I mean? Like, alright, I haven't done it, but look, that's so, it does wide over there. If that had come in like that, I might have dodgy close, eh?
Oh,
You'd have lost your little...
would have made a brilliant video though.
Yeah, if you could have got the camera back out of the water.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's already been in there once.
Has it?
Yeah.
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah, man.
What is it, like number 4?
Yes, I think so. Yeah, Hero 4.
I see, they've got a brand new one out, haven't they? And they've got that, it's got all the anti-shock stuff.
Oh, yeah, and like when you're moving it, all the stabilisation and all
I
that.
see a guy.
Yeah, I'd like one of them.
It's independent, like he's not
Patreons, please sponsor me.
Yeah, he's paid, he's not paid by GoPro to do this kind of thing. He showed you, in fact it proves he's not paid by GoPro, because he showed you a downhill run with one of them,
Yeah.
and you just couldn't see anything, and then he's done it with a new one, and
Yeah.
it was like he was going down a flat surface kind of thing. That much difference.
Yeah, I bet, man. They do seem to be really good, the new ones.
I think
But they're like
realised that
400 quid or
everyone
something.
that buys- yeah, I think
That's the
they
problem.
are. Well, and especially for the fact by the time he's got all the stuff to connect it to, I bet it's like 600 quid.
Yeah.
Because the body vests are like 50 quid, aren't they?
Yeah, I'd guess so.
But, you know, who else apart from like the odd
Bosley.
person, most people that buy GoPros are going to be into some sort of action sport, aren't they? So they've got to fucking sort of shake shit out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, exactly. I mean, all that stabilisation is so common now on the actual cameras that YouTube have removed it from their editing suite, man.
Yeah.
So I used to use it on there. Well, it wasn't great, but sometimes I'd use it just to see if it would make the video any better, but now it's gone.